Detox water is a refreshing and flavorful way to stay hydrated. It's a simple yet effective method to enhance your water intake. It's simply water infused with fruits, vegetables, or herbs. These natural ingredients not only add flavor, but also provide essential vitamins and minerals. You might also hear it called fruit-infused water or fruit-flavored water. Each combination offers a unique taste experience. The best part? It's incredibly easy to make at home. All you need is fresh produce and a bit of creativity. You can use almost any combination of fruits, veggies, and herbs that you enjoy. Experiment with different flavors to find your favorite mix. This makes it a fun and healthy alternative to sugary drinks. It's a great way to cut down on sugar while still enjoying a tasty beverage. Plus, it's a popular choice for people watching their weight. The natural ingredients can help boost metabolism and aid in weight management. Detox water is a great way to add flavor and nutrients to your daily routine. It's an easy habit to incorporate into your lifestyle. It's a simple way to make a healthy choice without sacrificing taste. Enjoy the refreshing flavors while nourishing your body. Whether you're looking to lose weight, improve your skin, or just feel your best, detox water can be a helpful addition to your lifestyle. It's a small change that can make a big difference. Making your own detox water is incredibly easy. Start by choosing your favorite fruits, vegetables, and herbs. Wash them thoroughly and then chop them into pieces. You can slice them, dice them, or even use a spiralizer for a fun twist. Next, add your chopped ingredients to a pitcher or jar filled with cold or hot water. Hot water will infuse the flavors more quickly, while cold water will result in a more subtle taste. Give everything a good stir, and then place the pitcher in the refrigerator to let the flavors infuse. One of the best things about detox water is its versatility. You can experiment with different flavor combinations until you find your favorites. Feel free to get creative and mix and match different ingredients. If you're new to detox water, start with classic combinations like lemon and cucumber or strawberry and mint. As you become more comfortable, you can branch out and try more adventurous pairings, such as ginger and peach or watermelon and basil. Benefits of detox water. Drinking detox water is a refreshing and flavorful way to up your hydration game. But did you know that it also offers a variety of potential health benefits? While more research is needed, many people report positive effects. First, detox water can support weight loss efforts. It's naturally low in calories and can help you feel full and satisfied, making it easier to resist unhealthy cravings. Second, it's a natural detoxifier. It can help flush out toxins from your body, leaving you feeling refreshed and revitalized. Not only that, but it can also help balance your body's pH levels, boost your immune system, increase your energy levels, and even improve your skin. Refreshing detox water recipes. Get ready to invigorate your senses and hydrate your body with these delightful detox water recipes. Ready to give detox water a try? It's a simple and tasty way to stay hydrated and flush out toxins. Here are 3 delicious and easy recipes to get you started, each one packed with flavor and health benefits. This classic combination of lemon, cucumber, and mint is incredibly refreshing and perfect for any time of day. It's a timeless favorite. Simply slice 1 lemon and 1 cucumber and add them to a pitcher of cold water along with a handful of fresh mint leaves. Let it infuse for a few hours. This spicy and zesty water is perfect for a morning pick-me-up. The ginger adds a nice kick to start your day. Thinly slice a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger and add it to a pitcher of cold water, along with 1 sliced lemon. Allow it to steep for a refreshing drink. This unexpected pairing of strawberry and basil is surprisingly delicious and perfect for a hot summer day. It's a unique twist on detox water. Slice 1 cup of fresh strawberries and add them to a pitcher of cold water, along with a handful of fresh basil leaves. Let it chill and enjoy the burst of flavors. Tips for the perfect infusion. Here are a few essential tips to help you get the most out of your detox water and ensure you enjoy every sip. For a more intense and robust flavor, let your detox water infuse in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours or up to 12 hours. The longer it sits, the more flavorful it becomes. After 12 hours, it's crucial to remove the fruits, veggies, and herbs from the water. This will prevent them from decomposing and affecting the taste and quality of your water, ensuring it remains fresh and delicious. To speed up the flavor infusion process, try crushing or bruising your ingredients before adding them to the water. This simple step can make a big difference. This will help release their natural oils and flavors more quickly, giving you a more vibrant and aromatic drink. With these tips and recipes, you'll be well on your way to enjoying the refreshing and healthy benefits of detox water. Cheers to your health and hydration!